Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks fantastic. Got the chrome up front with the chrome bumper down there. You also have your halogen headlights right there. They are very bright. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Goodyear brand tires. They look great. Got your mirrors right up there. And coming around to the back, we got a 5-foot box back here. Looks fantastic. Got the chrome bumper just down there, as well as the 4x4 badging and the Ram. You can open this guy up. It is a bit of a mess. It has been snowing lots, but lots of room there. And it does have the spray and box liner as well, keeping things nice and safe. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button up there, and if you press the lock 3 times, it will do the remote start for you. But let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very nice and spacious. Seats are very comfortable. You have the controls over the seats right there, and then you do have your controls over your lights, so your auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And up here we got the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. In the center there it does also tell us which way we're facing, how many kilometers we have, how fast we're going, and the temperature outside. We can switch that around to the vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as your messages, your screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Controls right there for that, as well as your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. We got our gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center we do have our touchscreen display. So you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Your phone options here, compass, settings, and your more options. Volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, as well as the tuner there. You get your controls over your 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low right there. And then over here we do have the power up and down with the circulation, hazard lights, temperature control, and then you do also have where it's going to blow, plus your defrost. You have your traction control and tow and haul mode there. Some storage just in there. Some more storage there. 3 cup holders here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there, as well as a USB and aux cord plug-in right there. You can also lift this guy up. Got some room underneath there, another seat. So it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we got the top and bottom layer glove boxes there. Looks great. And up top you do have your lights. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, control of your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here, very spacious. Does seat 3 people back here as well, so 6 altogether. Can lift that guy up. You got some storage underneath there with your cup holders right there. And then you do also have some storage underneath the floor mats. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.